2025 BMW M5 G90 in Marina Bay Blue parked on a scenic mountain road during sunset, dramatic lighting, aggressive front fascia with large kidney grills, sharp LED headlights, 21-inch alloy wheels, muscular body lines, cinematic wide-angle lens. Interior of the 2025 BMW M5, luxury merino leather seats in red and black, carbon fiber dashboard, BMW curved display with digital gauge cluster and infotainment touchscreen, ambient lighting, sporty M steering wheel with red buttons, high-tech luxury ambience. 2025 BMW M5 driving through a modern city at night, glowing ambient interior lighting visible through the windows, LED headlights and taillights glowing, rain-slick streets reflecting light, futuristic urban vibe. A side-by-side comparison of the original 1985 BMW M5 and the 2025 BMW M5 G90, both in silver, parked in the same location, evolution of car design, old school versus futuristic styling, moody overcast background. Front view of the 2025 BMW M5 G90, large dual kidney grills, flanked by sharp laser LED headlights and aggressive air intakes. Glossy Marina Bay Blue paint, low-angle dramatic lighting, parked on a wet asphalt road at twilight. Close-up of the 2025 BMW M5 wheels, front 20-inch and rear 21-inch forged M-specific alloy wheels, wrapped in low-profile performance tires, large M Sport brakes with blue calipers, parked on textured pavement under studio lighting. Rear view of the 2025 BMW M5 G90 at dusk, quad exhaust pipes integrated into a sporty rear diffuser, LED taillights glowing red, subtle trunk spoiler, wide stance, city skyline in the background, slightly reflective ground surface. Three-quarter front angle of the 2025 BMW M5 G90, showcasing full exterior design, flared bodywork, aggressive front fascia, power dome hood, M alloy wheels, Marina Bay Blue paint, dramatic shadows and highlights, futuristic city backdrop. Close-up view of a luxury car interior door panel featuring an illuminated Bowers and Wilkins diamond surround sound speaker, brushed aluminum grille, ambient lighting glowing softly in the background, high-end materials and stitching detail. BMW curved infotainment screen inside a luxury sports sedan showing active Apple CarPlay interface with navigation and music apps, sleek digital layout, crisp display, surrounded by carbon fiber and soft leather dashboard. Driver unlocking a 2025 BMW M5 using their smartphone via Digital Key Plus. Close-up of phone screen showing BMW unlock interface, car headlights turning on in the background, modern residential driveway scene, early morning light. Interior view looking up from the back seats of a 2025 BMW M5, showcasing a large panoramic glass roof letting in sunlight, visible sky and clouds, premium black headliner, ambient lighting around roof edges. Close-up of a sporty M steering wheel inside the 2025 BMW M5, leather-wrapped with red M1 and M2 programmable buttons, paddle shifters, BMW M badge in center, digital display visible in the background with performance gauges. A dramatic illustration of a 2025 BMW M5 engine bay glowing with hybrid electric power, V8 twin-turbo engine surrounded by blue and red energy arcs symbolizing electricity and combustion working together, futuristic lighting, dark metallic tones. 2025 BMW M5 racing on a closed track at high speed, tires slightly smoking as it hugs a sharp corner, motion blur effect, Marina Bay Blue color, aerodynamic lines catching the light, track curves and a blurred horizon, aggressive and dynamic. Cinematic scene showing the 2025 BMW M5 under a spotlight in a dark studio. Rain on the ground reflecting the car's silhouette, rear angle showing quad exhausts and LED taillights, with ghosted images of previous M5 generations behind it, symbolizing evolution and power.